Configuring emails in Prism Central allows you to manage your notification settings from a single pane of glass instead of logging into every individual Prism element. You choose different settings for each email address in your group. First, we will go step by step through the process, then we will look at the main advantages to managing these assets. In Prism Central, select Admin Center from the drop-down menu. Now, in the left-hand menu, open Monitoring, click on Alerts, and then Email Configuration. Here you enter one or multiple email addresses, type in the email and hit Enter on your keyboard and repeat with additional addresses if needed. We can also customize the settings to choose which alerts will be sent by selecting New Setting under Customer Settings. You can also choose specific text that would be important to these recipients. Under Email Content, add content to both subject and body here. Once you are done configuring, hit Save. Here are the types of alerts you can receive from Prism Central: Behavioral Anomaly, XFIT, Alerts. Prism Central uses machine learning to monitor cluster behavior and capacity trends over time. It can alert you to anomalies like an unusual spike in CPU usage or capacity runway warnings. Prism Central Health, alerts regarding the health resources and services of the Prism Central VM itself. Add-on service alerts. If you use advanced Nutanix services like Flow, Network Security, Self-Service, or NDK, the alerts for these services are generated and sent by Prism Central. Here are some advantages to configuring alerts from Prism Central. Advanced Custom Alert Policies. This allows administrators to tailor alert conditions and notifications to their specific environment. Prism Central allows you to create user-defined policies, up to 50 per PC instance. Reduced alert fatigue. Through custom policies and daily digest options, Prism Central offers better ways to filter and consolidate alerts, ensuring your administrators only receive actionable, relevant notifications rather than noise. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.